Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are diving into the world of LeetCode SQL challenges. Get ready to sharpen your SQL skills as we tackle SQL 50 challenge using SQL, Pandas and PySpark. Let's get started. Coming to the problem what we are going to solve today, which is 1757 recyclable and low-fat products. So if you see the table, they have given as products and they have given column names as product ID, low fats and recyclable. They have given the type of the data as well, what is on the columns. So if you see the examples, so product table has having columns as product ID, low fats and recyclable. And if you see here, which is a yes or no, it's clearly saying that. So what we have to do, write a solution to find out IDs of the products that are both low fat as well as recyclable. So if you start writing the code, we have to start with we have to call the table first. So I'm calling the table as from, and from, what is the table name? It's a products. And what is the condition they have given? Both the low fat as well as recyclable need to be yes. So I'm giving a where condition here. On where condition, I'm just selecting the columns with the and it's clearly mentioned that and condition here. So I'm taking and as well. So low fats and recyclables also is. So I have to select IDs only here. If you see here, so I'm selecting ID. We have to select what we have to select, product ID, not ID. Apologies for that. So if you run the code, I forgot to add a semicolon at the end, so we have to add for better use cases. So I'm going to submit it. Perfect. So if you see here, we have successfully finished it. That's it for our today's LeetCode solution. Ready for more? Check out the links for Pandas and PySpark. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.